rain hasn't stopped for a second, and on a rural homestead, that changes everything. With heavy rain pouring down, it was clear this would be a slower, quieter day. When it rains out here, very little work can be done, and our builders couldn't make it to site.
So it's raining now. Look at all the mountains covered in rain. Yeah, so she was busy getting the clothes from the line. We left them yesterday. They came back late.
Hey, morning guys. Another video today.
Hey guys.
Today it's raining.
Yeah.
So we can't do anything. Basically, we had a lot of plans on what to do today. We had a big to-do list, but we just can't do anything because it's raining. So we spend the day relaxed.
Yeah,
and enjoy.
I guess today we're just gonna be chilled indoors.
Yes.
At least we now have a roof above our heads.
Yes,
so,
yes.
So it's much easier to just chill.
Yes.
And relax.
And relax. And do
live
some,
a little.
yeah, and do some editing as well. I was thinking about it as well.
Yeah.
Probably get my laptop, start editing and so forth. But yeah. So yeah, remember I did some laundry using that small washing machine. So the clothes were not dry yet because of the rain. So we did a plan from the clip. I think I've just shown a clip. Yeah, so we put it in there. So today the builders didn't come, so nothing is moving.
This week they tried.
Yes.
They've been pushing.
Yes.
Yeah, so the main guy who we had contracted, yeah, he's been playing us. So yeah, but some of the guys he sent, we kind of now work directly with them.
Yes.
We bypassed the main guy. Yeah, so they've been really pushing hard.
They have.
So we had to do like a small contract with them.
Yes.
So that you know, they can plaster the whole thing separately from the main guy.
Yeah.
Because the main guy hadn't quoted us plastering and tiles and all that stuff.
Yes.
So they are kind of motivated to come and work. So they've been really trying hard.
Yes.
Because we've been here for like a week now.
We've been here for a week, but the way we've pushed, guys.
yeah. So I mean, they've really done their best.
Yes.
It's only that the weather's a little bit bad to make it.
Yeah, the weather is.
Yeah, it's kind of really raining.
Giving.
Yeah, but it's okay. I mean, because gosh, we've been working so hard.
Yeah.
We thought, you know, when you come here, we're just gonna chill, plant a few things on the yard.
And relax.
Yeah, and relax. But of course, we did plant a couple of things. I'm sure there's a video for that.
Yes, there's a separate video.
Yeah.
So I think we wanted to get some stones to cover the soccer way, but we can't. We also wanted to go to shop. We'll probably go to shop around later on to get the curtain rails. So today we'll probably fix our room so that it looks nice and, you know, normal, like a normal space. But
So we'll also get some tiles. Because we kind of using the bathroom on the other side, that other house there, where our main house is going to be.
Yes.
So it's kind of a distance from here.
Yeah, it is.
So we want to make sure this side and on the cottage side, the bathroom's working, the toilet is working. So we just want to tile the floor for now, then we'll do the walls later. That's it.
That's it. So we'll see you in the next clips, in the next videos. Our mission for the day was to buy tiles and find a tiler to work on the cottage. But with no referrals and no local contacts, hiring someone can be a big risk. To play it safe, we decided to start small, tiling the bathroom floors first so we could finally begin using them. The plan was simple. If the work impressed us, we'd offer the tiler the contract for the entire cottage. On our way, we made a short stop to take in the beautiful waterfalls flowing down the mountain. A quiet reminder of how powerful and beautiful this place really is. We just stopped, we just took a small break just to see, not break as such, we literally drove near the mountain so that we can see the waterfall. It's beautiful. You liking it?
Yeah,
it's nice. It's nice. I wonder what you're going to go for. Oh yeah. Oh, I remember. Yes. Oh. Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Yes. Nice, yeah.
It's nice. Right guys, so this water that you're seeing that's flowing down from the mountain, it's actually going down here. This is where it's going. Let me show you quickly. This is where it's going. It's beautiful. There. Yeah, so amazing. The beautiful sights near our rural homestead in Zimbabwe, Domboshava, Ngoma Kurira. You will never see this beautiful view wherever you are, guys. This is breathtaking. This is amazing, and I thought I should share this beautiful clip with you guys. And yeah, enjoy the drone shots and all that stuff. In the next clips, you'll see how the day unfolded, the choices we made, the risks we took, and whether trusting a stranger with our flaws was the right call. Plain white. Okay. Yeah, we just got the tiles, but they keep changing. They keep changing the tile type. Now they're giving us the wrong tile. So let's see. Baby, tomato that I want to do it. Because you're oh, aiwa, bandikutira taona isusu pa display ndiro here ndizandikubvunza. Oh, Okay, taka blue. Okay. Saka maybe ndini.
Taka brown.
Amen. Channel can go confirm maybe it's me. Amen. Maybe ndini. Antiga. Probably my shades or different shades, different angles, but yeah. As long as replaying is fine. So we're just loading the tiles. We're loading the tiles. We already got the tile person, so let's see how it goes. Alright. Alright, my tabo. Everything is okay now. Yeah, do my shop said that yo madaga chete ya challenge, but my change if I don't need to food sagando shimo shanga shino not. So we're back from the shopping. So we got 3 boxes of towels and then cement thing for the towels. We also managed to get about 2 contractors or 2 towel people. Yeah, we outsourced 2 of them from Showgrounds, and then the other one on our way to Ongomakurima shopping area. So now, yeah, we're so tired. We're back here. It's now about quarter to 5. We took almost like, I don't know, a lot of time, 3-4 hours trying to do all these things at the shopping mall. So now we couldn't find the kitchen rails, so Ish is trying to find some concrete nails. We'll make a makeshift curtain line or something, so at least we can just hang the curtain on the on whatever we're gonna make. So we'll show you when we're done. And yeah, I think that's just the update. And we also get just a few supplies like the broom, the buckets, the water for drinking, and a mop. Obviously we'll need a mop to, and this tiling thing. And we also got some supper from the cooking people. I couldn't find my favorite, I couldn't find my meal, so I ended up buying buns. But yeah, I think we are set for tonight. So we'll probably make the room nice tomorrow. I think we're tired now. We're not gonna do anything, or at least I am tired. I don't think I'm gonna be moving anything, so we'll make the room nice tomorrow on a brand new day. But yeah, that's the progress that we had today. So we're just gonna move the towels, put them in the bathroom, and that's it. So now we are moving the towels. So we bought about 3 boxes and we're putting them in the bathroom. So this is the bathroom. This is the bathroom. This is the bathroom.
Hey guys.
yeah, the tiles have got funny names, but they were quite very confident with the adhesive and all that stuff. So we'll only find out when we're using them. We'll see how it goes. So we got this adhesive called Dolphin. So yeah, they were quite confident that it works, but we don't know. We've never heard of this brand. So this is the grout. This is the grout Auto Fit. Yeah, we'll only know once we have experienced it. We'll probably review it if you're in the same situation. You're trying to buy all these things. Yeah, we won't really know how it's gonna end up, but yeah, they're saying this is the good brand. And that tiling thingy, what is it called? Yeah, or tile strip or edging strip. Oh, okay. So I guess this is where all the things will be tonight. And the plumbing for the drainage was already done, so at least it's not a lot of work. And we also managed to get some trees as well from the forest. From the forest. From the wild. Yeah. So the digging thing. Maybe in the storeroom, probably in the storeroom. Oh, we had to create our own ladder from those things we bought yesterday. What are they called? What are these stripes called? No, this. No, you were actually saying the net.
That thing.
When we're ordering it.
I forgot the actual name.
Yeah. So we.
But is that one?
Yeah, it's that one. That thing that they put on before the roof. So yeah, we had to make a makeshift ladder because we needed to. Probably Kusasuko, somewhere there. Alright guys, I think that's the end of this video. Yeah, and if you enjoyed watching this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, we'll see you in the next video. Bye.